your lunch, Ginger. Eat your lunch. The last day of vacation is when we clean out the fridge. I've got a leftover mackerel taco and some clam chowder. They're both gonna be better with a little Old Bay hot sauce. Everything's better with Old Bay. Are you ready to go swimming, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain.
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Let's go. VIP parking. A nice tip to avoid the crowds is try to schedule excursions around when other people are eating. This is something even I've never done before, taking a swim at Echo Lake Beach. The sand's pretty coarse, but could be worse. Look at them stinky toes. Gabe looks prepared.
I got them too.
Oh, you got some too?
You know that I got some.
Are you guys ready to jump in?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. All right, I guess I'm getting in too. Oh, it's not too bad. A lot warmer than Sand Beach. Got some pretty cool views out here. Really steep mountain here on the left. Want to test how waterproof this camera really is? Here we go. You gonna splash it? Splash that camera. I think this is a crowd pleaser. Still a little chilly. Oh, your hands are freezing! Ah, your hands are freezing too! The lens seems to be pretty water resistant. When I go under and come back up real fast, all the beads of water just wipe right off of it. Hi! It's got a great forward-facing screen so you can see what you're doing, make sure the lighting is just right. And it gives you a little indicator when it's starting to overheat, so you can shut it off, cool it down, and you won't get lost footage. I can't tell you how many times I've lost footage on my old GoPro here. Maybe that's just a design flaw of that series, but it would overheat, shut down, you wouldn't even know that it wasn't recording anymore, and then you go to watch your biggest fish being caught, and it's not there. Bummer. DJI really makes some amazing gear. This Action 4 cam makes it so easy just to record your daily life, your vacations, your fishing trips, whatever you're doing, this thing will record the memories. Speaking of fish, are there any down there? Well, that's how the DJI Action Cam works underwater. We're gonna enjoy the rest of our day. We hope you do too. So, bye! Bye! Don't forget to clean your lens. So, do you guys enjoy Echo Lake?
Yeah.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
So there aren't that many places to go swimming on Mount Desert Island. Most of the lakes are part of the national park or some of the town drinking water, so you can't swim in them. The beaches and the ocean spots aren't bad, but the water is like 50-some degrees, so you're not going to want to be in there too long. So if you're looking for a place to swim, you don't have access to the pool, Echo Lake is the place to be on a hot day. Unfortunately, that's it for the fun. Our trip has come to a close. We got to get in there and start packing because we got to leave tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. to hit the road. Got all the camera bags packed up. What the heck? What are you doing in here? Get out of there! Polishing up that pasta. Gourmet. Tomorrow's gonna suck.
Yep.